Hello teachers, and welcome back. It's James. You're looking at my lesson plan for July 2020. This is for grades 3 to 6 with experience. Goals. Teach what is your favorite English word? Amusement park rides. Aquatic Life. It's called Suisei Dobutsu, or just say water life. What are they doing? They are verb ing. Flashcards. Verbs. Play Simon Says. Make cotton candy. Get them to say, I want to make cotton candy. Okay, lesson 1, warm up. Ask, how are you? What's your name? What's your family name? How do you spell your name? What's your mother's name? What's your father's name? How old are you? What grade are you in? What elementary school do you go to? Where do you live? Where are you from? Then ask, what is your favorite English word? Give some examples. For example, yes, or happy, baseball, whatever. Ask, how many days are in a week? The days of the week. How many months are in a year? The 12 months. Ask the date. What is the date? Go over the 4 seasons. Go over weather patterns. Under expressions, I have, how tall are you? Give examples. What's your address? How much do you weigh? Give examples. How do you spell cat? Give examples. Under amusement park rides, I have these flashcards. I have Ferris wheel, haunted house, merry-go-round, roller coaster, and teacups. You can add your own if you want. Below that, I also have Aquatic Life, water animals, shark, seal, crab, starfish, jellyfish, squid, fish, lobster, turtle, frog, dolphin, crocodile or alligator, octopus, whale, goldfish, snail, snake. If you have others that you want to use, go ahead. The next column, what are they doing? That is the main theme. I have flashcards. These flashcards have the answers. They are riding a roller coaster. They are barbecuing. They are playing beach volleyball. They are rollerblading. They are rafting. They are camping. They are watching fireworks. Under action words, pantomime, I have choose, copy, move, find, hold, hit the target, guard, speak, fold, bow, and squeeze. Under homework, I have shark, jellyfish, fireworks for lesson 1. Looking at lesson 2, just review everything. Different homework, I have crab, seal, roller coaster. Lesson 3, the same thing, review everything. Different homework again, Ferris wheel, crocodile, lobster. And then for lesson 4, that is test week. Under warm-up, that is the same. Expressions, yes, I will test them. Amusement Park and Aquatic Life, yes, I'll test them. What Are They Doing cards, yes, I'll test them. And the action words, yes, I'll test them. And I wrote test over here for homework. Not really. I mean, you can just make it up. You can just play a game. So this is my lesson plan for July, and that is it for this video. Thanks for watching, and good luck. Bye.